I wanted to just point out a couple more things about the construction of this motor that might be helpful if you were to build one, which is that I think you can see here that all the magnets are tightly in the holes in the plastic, including the MAG-LEV ones and the end ones, which allows you to move them in and out, which has been really helpful. So I achieved a much greater amount of balance when I was able to adjust them, because it's a very fine-tuned motor, as you will see. And I finally got brave enough, or maybe stupid enough, to hook this thing up to my 12 volts here. So I got a charging battery and a run battery. The run battery's on the right, and I have a different coil that I'm using just for this demonstration. So I'm going to slide this in here, and you will hear the intensity of the pitch go up very fast. And the adjustment of the coil to the armature is just like really critical. Now this thing is screaming now. I wish I knew the revs on this thing, but it is like way up there. You can actually feel a wind coming off of the armature. Maybe you can hear it like on the video. And it sometimes develops a dangerous oscillation. It's not usually this bad, but it has to do with the coil placement. You can find just the right spot when everything is just in such perfect balance. It's just amazing. I wouldn't want this thing to fly off because it's got two sharp edges. You know, whoa, you could really get bopped. Anyway, I have one more thing to show you this time around. I got to set it up here. Okay, this is a little coil thing I made. I actually didn't make the coil, but it's out of a relay, a solenoid in a washing machine. So these things are really common. And as you can see, the two middle terminals there are hooked to the AC part of a full bridge rectifier, and then the positive and negative DC out is on my meter here. So as soon as I get it near the motor, you will see the DC being produced. I mean, as you could see, it gets up to almost 300 volts DC. Oops, I'm touching the armature. And it does cause a certain amount of drag, but it's just from air friction because there's really nothing much on the coil here. But anyway, this is a nice little clean little setup for the coil out of a washing machine. There's about 3 in every washing machine, and they throw these out at the used washing machine store. It's a hollow core. There is no it's just air core. I don't know how many windings are on it. It's pretty fine windings, I imagine, but it works just dandy for a little testing and generation on my motor here. .300 volts. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you, and I wish you all happy motoring, and I'll check you out next time. Thanks for watching.